Warmer weather means that your lawn mowing chores are ramping up. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about some ways to get your mower ready to go to work right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. Because they sit idle all winter long, lawnmowers are often neglected tools. But taking care of a few maintenance chores early in the year will ensure that your mower works well for you all summer long. First thing you need to do is to check the air filter. If it's the paper type, replace it. The foam type can be washed successfully with soap and water. When it dries, condition it with a drop or two of motor oil. Speaking of oil, check it. If it's darker than the color of tea, change it. It's also probably a good idea to change the spark plug for more reliable starts. Next up, sharpen the blade. You can do this with a hand file, a bench grinder, or even a belt sander. If the blade is really worn, go ahead and replace it. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.